Hello, this is a relaxation technique. It can also be a meditation practice and it involves using your imagination. This is a really wonderful technique because it allows you to take your mind to somewhere relaxing, somewhere that brings you peace and calm and happiness. And it's a wonderful technique because it's really very effective. Your mind is such a powerful thing. And when you imagine something, your body still reacts in exactly the same way. So when you imagine a wonderfully relaxing place, your body still reacts as if you were in that relaxing place. Lots of responses happen in the body. And it's a wonderful technique to do. And especially at work, if you just need to find a little piece of calm during your shift. So it's really helpful to close the eyes during this practice, and ideally if you can find somewhere to sit as well. So gradually becoming more comfortable wherever you choose to sit today, making sure that the body feels relaxed before we begin. So just gently scanning down your body from the very top of your head all the way down, relaxing every muscle, every area. Relaxing, releasing your jaw. Taking a deep breath in. Relaxing those shoulders all the way down. Releasing them away from the ears. Notice how much better that feels. Moving further down now. Relaxing, releasing your belly. Relaxing your arms and your hands. Thighs. Lower legs and feet. So that your whole body is just resting comfortably in the chair. And even if the mind feels busy, that's okay. This is just a short moment of time away from your busy day. A short break. So just taking some deep breaths. And then breathing normally. I want you to bring to mind now the place that feels very relaxing to you. This can be a past holiday destination. It can be somewhere that you've seen on the TV, or maybe just somewhere that you've imagined in your mind. It can even be your bedroom, your living room. So just imagine that you are in this place now. Imagining what you can see and hear, smell. Imagining every detail. Notice that sense of relaxation or other feelings in the body. Sometimes feelings of happiness and joy. Maybe bring to your awareness other people that can join you in this relaxing space or relaxing place, wherever you are. And just imagine yourself there, without a care in the world, having a wonderful time, away from the demands and busyness of your everyday life. You are away in this place, in a protected bubble, feeling calm and relaxed. Then returning back to the breath, letting go of this image in your mind, putting some awareness back into your physical body. So gently moving your fingers and your toes, and in your own time, slowly opening your eyes. It can be helpful to take some deeper, refreshing breaths. Now, that technique is a wonderful technique, and I would encourage you to try and do that as often as you can, because it's just a wonderful opportunity for you to take your mind somewhere different, especially during the times that we're in now, in this chaos that we all find ourselves in, especially you guys watching this. So please take this sense of calm into your day today, and thank you very much for watching.